Folks, today let's take a look at this 10 by 12 Side Gable Utility. It's got a couple of doors that are 3 foot each, giving you 6 foot access. A window on each side, giving you a lot of natural light. It's 11 foot tall. There's a lot of room in here, folks. There's a 30-year warranty on the metal roof and the siding, a 10-year warranty on the floor, 5-year warranty on workmanship and materials, lifetime warranty on that pre-treated wood underneath. Let's take a look inside. All right, folks, look at this. This is a 10 by 12, 120 square feet of man cave, she shed, or the great workshop that you've always been looking for. It's got a lot of space for shelving, 2 windows for natural light, and look underneath the windows, folks. We have outlets. This is wired for sound. It has our electrical package in it, 4 outlets, a panel box, a switch, and a fixture above. Workbench goes all the way across the back. Pegboard goes all the way across the back to hang all your gadgets and widgets and gadgets. Folks, rent to own for 36, 48, 60 months, pre-approved, no credit check. If you want to do a purchase, it's just half down, half on delivery. This is a great buy, folks. Come by and take a look at it. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.